Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Natural Chemistry Spa Chlorine Concentrate. What is Natural Chemistry Spa Chlorine Concentrate? Natural Chemistry Spa Chlorine Concentrate allows you to quickly add needed chlorine to your hot tub or spa without needing any dispensers or floaters. Simply spoon out the dosage and add directly to water for precise control over the level of chlorine in your spa water. Spa Chlorine Concentrate can be used for routine maintenance or superchlorinating your spa after heavy bather loads or infrequent use, ensuring your system is safe and healthy. Product benefits: quickly add needed chlorine to your hot tub or spa without needing any dispensers or floaters. Can be used for routine maintenance or superchlorinating your spa after heavy bather loads or infrequent use. Utilizes natural enzymes and compounds to clean and sanitize spas. Usage directions: routine maintenance. With the pump on, add 1/2 teaspoon of this product per 100 gallons of water, or 5 teaspoons per 1,000 gallons as an initial treatment. Repeat at 15 to 20 minute intervals until a residual of 1 to 3 ppm of available chlorine is established as determined by a testing kit. A test kit must be used regularly to determine the frequency of additional doses of this product needed to maintain the chlorine residual of 1 to 3 ppm. Superchlorination. Use 1 teaspoon of this product per 100 gallons of water, or 1/2 cup per 1,000 gallons. Superchlorination may be needed on a nightly basis in a heavily used spa or as infrequently as once a week in a moderately used spa. Re-entry into a treated spa or hot tub is prohibited above levels of 3 ppm of chlorine due to the risk of bodily harm. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.